Hi guys, today I have 22S unboxing. I'm so excited about this handbag because this is totally new style to my collection. This is totally new material to my collection, specifically from Chanel, and I'm extremely excited. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And today's unboxing, one of my favorite videos to do and one of my favorite videos to watch. So, and as I mentioned, it's a 22S collection. It's a little bit almost like at the end of the season of 22S. Nevertheless, I'm extremely excited that I got this bag. It's very unpractical material. It's totally new style to me from 22S and from Chanel specifically. But nevertheless, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna start doing unboxing. To be fair to you guys, I already checked the bag inside and I just kind of trying to package as graciously as possible. It's a huge box for Chanel, and you know what it means? It means it's a big handbag. So the booklet, my Chanel receipt, so I'm just gonna show to you. Oh, it's very hard to hold it like that because it's really huge. Okay, I'm gonna remove this box because it's literally impossible to hold. So there it is. But before I show to you what's inside this handbag, if you're into luxury, if you're into handbags, please consider subscribing to my channel because I'm absolute addict for the handbags. I love fashion, I love style, I love luxury. So please consider subscribing to my channel. Nevertheless, picking blue. Wow. Ta-da! So this is Chanel Deauville Tote, and before you're gonna say, oh, it's nothing new, it's a new size for Chanel Deauville Tote. Let me remove the filler. This size is a small size, and I tried the Deauville Tote at Chanel boutique so many times but never purchased because for my body frame, I'm just a 5'3". I always find that it's a bit overwhelming, and often people say that they use the Deauville Tote for the traveling, which is great. I personally never travel with kind of flashy handbags or flashy luggage because I find it's a bit not safe for me personally. So therefore, for instance, when I'm traveling, I'm using my Longchamp Le Pliage, and I find it's more appropriate, you know, for travel, or let's say for that matter on the beach. That's why it's Le Pliage, you know, for the beach. I couldn't imagine myself to use something like that on the beach, like, you know, because in Canadian dollars with taxes it's over $5,000. So I wouldn't use something like that. But for the summertime, you know, just going for a stroll, for shopping, etc., when I need a little bit more than absolute essential, I find it's absolutely perfect. I love the color. They call it, I think, dark beige, but it's more of the tape color, something like that. Let me actually bring it so you can see. So that's how it looks like. Okay. Inside it has an additional pouch. So my handbag is made in Italy. This is magnetic closure. There is one pocket over there with the zipper, and I love these cute details. On the other side, you have just a 2-slip pocket, and obviously the new authenticity, kind of like, you know, what should I call that? I don't know, cheap. And this pouch is detachable, so you can detach it. Inside this pouch, I don't see anything that it says where it's made or anything like that. Just on top over here Chanel, that's about it. Like, you know, usually in Louis Vuitton they also put either where it's made, etc. Nothing like that. It just, you know, on top you can see Chanel, but I really love it. So let's now now I want to demonstrate to you what is the size, because on the website it actually says 39 centimeters, but I'm assuming it's from this end to this end when it's completely open, because right there it's about just 31. And what I have over here is Speedy 30 bag organizer. And the reason that I said I unboxed it before, because I want to try for myself if the Speedy 30 bag organizer goes in. And I will show it to you right now. So say if you're considering this new Deauville tote and you already have a Speedy 30 bag organizer, I want to show to you that it actually fits perfectly. Mine is in a red color, but it doesn't matter. So there you go, guys. Speedy 30 bag organizer fits absolutely perfectly inside this Deauville tote, and I mean, like, it's absolute perfection. You see, it's absolute perfection. The width, the height, everything. So there you go, guys. So you get an idea how much can fit inside this handbag. So it's pretty much your Speedy 30, but kind of open tote with extra top handles and these handles. And as I said previously, I was considering so many times purchasing Deauville tote in, I would say, larger maybe size, but I never pulled the trigger because I find, first and most, the size is a bit overwhelming on me. Secondly, because the handbag is obviously bigger and it's I mean, the designers assuming that you're gonna actually fill up to the brim, these chains, they're very, very thick. I would say they're as thick as the chains on the Jumbo, and clearly they're quite long also chains. So I always find that larger size Deauville tote is so heavy, and specifically if, like, even the simple fabric, it's already heavy because of those chains, but if there is any embroidery or additional design on those Deauville totes, they were like literally impossible to use even empty. Nevertheless, if you're gonna put an organizer or some stuff inside, for me personally, so I couldn't imagine to use that handbag, first and most because I couldn't travel, so for every day it's too big and it's too heavy. So but this one is absolutely perfect for summer, and I love this color. And I have Hermes espadrilles in blue. Let me grab them. So as I said, I have my espadrilles from Hermes in blue, and I thought they would be an absolutely beautiful fit together with this handbag. So if I would say what is the color of this top handles, and I mean the writing over here, I would say the closest color in Hermes is going to be blue lean, or something between blue lean and blue jean. You know, it depends on the leather, because you know when it comes to Hermes colors, there also depends on the leather. Sometimes they could be lighter, sometimes they could be darker, but as I said, it's something between blue lean and blue jean, and I find this is absolutely perfect for summer. Love it, love it, love it. As I said, with any light color blue jeans, like, you know, in summer, this tote will go with everything. I'm so happy that I got it. I'm so happy that I got it. So this is about it for today's video. As I said, later on, most likely I will do a review wear and tear. Oh, one more question, guys, because as I said, this is totally new material from Chanel to me, because this material is a canvas, it's a Chanel canvas. So if any of you already had Deauville tote in canvas, most likely in a larger size, please put your comments below if you're using any protective spray on those canvases, like, you know, because when I asked Essay at the boutique, she suggested use absolutely nothing, but then when I asked her if they're gonna do the cleaning at Chanel, she kind of like, you know, shy away from the answer. So I couldn't get really clear answer if they will clean up this tote. Once again, if you know, please put your comments below. But I'm assuming I should spray it because, you know, it would be a safer options to spray, because it would be easier to clean later on if there is any spills or stains. But please put your comments below. What do you use for spraying tote bag? If you use anything, or if you don't use it and your handbag gets dirty, how you clean it. So that's about it for today's video. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel. Once again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.